The little boy turns 2 at the end of the month. Out of his driveway, he crosses this bridge. He could have fallen into the water. On this cut-through road, he may not have been seen by cars because he's so little. He wandered down his long driveway and hit North Street with lots of slush and no sidewalks.
I saw this little guy standing in the middle of the street.
Topsfield's weather on Thursday at noontime was bad.
You know, I put my arms around him, picked him up, and he put his head on my shoulder, and I walked him in the house after I called 911.
Go ahead, caller.
Yeah, I found a little kid on the middle of the street with no shoes on, with his sneakers in his hand. I'm holding him up. It's getting heavy, too.
Oh, okay.
He had a little bump on his head, but other than that, he appeared cold. It was 37 degrees out and snowing and sleeting.
First thing is get the kid warm. Let's get him in the house and get him warm.
By the time first responders arrived, Mike Kippenberger, a retired Revere fire lieutenant, had made the toddler quite comfortable.
My wife's a nurse, and she took off his socks and stuff and wrapped him up in a blanket. And
a babysitter who Kippenberg is guessing to be around 50 years old never reported the boy missing.
if he got to Route 1, there would have been problems.
Police and fire filed a 51A against the sitter to continue their negligence investigation.
My mother was all thankful. She was crying. So, I mean, you know, but the father, he was a little mad, put it mildly.
Mom, once reunited with her son, told first responders she just went to the dentist. She should have taken him with her. In Topsfield, Rondella Richardson, WCVB News Center 5.